Okay, third graders. So now we're going to talk about our vocabulary words that we will find in our story today, Brave Girl. So the first vocab word that I want us to focus on is bravest. So the word bravest means strong, no fear, courage, and then we're also going to focus on the word strike. So a worker refuses to work for a period of time until their concerns are addressed. So those are our two vocab words that we're going to be focusing on. Somebody that is showing bravery and also talking about a strike. So remember at the beginning of our story, Clara decides to go on a strike and try to get the other girls to go on a strike with her. Another word that I want us to keep in mind is going to be revolt. So think about that word. What do you think that means? And we're going to use our context clues to figure that out today. All right, good luck and keep working hard. I'll talk to you soon.